In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead in Freshsales. Creating a new lead is one of the simplest and most important actions you can perform in Freshsales. A clean, accurate lead record helps your team track conversations, run automations, and convert prospects into customers without confusion. I'll walk you through each screen so you can do this confidently in just a minute. First, log into your Freshsales account. Use your standard sign-in method through the official Freshworks login page, and make sure you're in the correct workspace for your organization. If your company uses multi-factor authentication, follow the prompt as usual. It's a good idea to bookmark the login URL so you can get back here quickly in the future. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open the Leads section. This module shows you every person who hasn't yet been qualified as a contact or opportunity. If your menu is collapsed, expand it to see the labels, or hover over the icons to reveal the names. You should now see your leads list with filters and sorting options at the top. Next, create a new record by selecting the plus New Lead button. You'll typically find it at the top right of the leads page. Clicking it opens a form where you can enter the details you want to capture. Now fill in the essential information: name, email, phone, and company. Use proper capitalization for the name and double check the spelling so search and reporting work smoothly. For the email, verify the domain and avoid typos. This ensures emails track correctly. When adding a phone number, include the country code and only digits and standard symbols so calling and texting features recognize it. For the company, use the organization's official name. If Freshsales suggests a match, that can help you stay consistent. Enter only information you're authorized to store and keep it relevant and professional. Accuracy here prevents duplicates and saves time later for your entire team. When everything looks good, click Save. The Save button is typically at the bottom or top of the form. If anything required is missing or incorrectly formatted, Freshsales will highlight it so you can fix it. After a successful save, you'll land on the new leads profile, confirming the record is ready for your team to use. That's it. You logged in, opened Leads, clicked New Lead, added the key details, and saved. With that, you've created a clean, usable lead in Freshsales.